Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep Song Life. Hope you are all doing well. Today I'm sharing a Dudhpak recipe in a pressure cooker. So let's start. Before that, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. Really appreciate. So for this recipe, you will need 1 liter milk, half cup soaked rice, 1/4 cup sugar or less according to your taste preference, saffron, elaichi powder and some chopped nuts. I used here almonds. Now use half milk in a pressure cooker and add all other ingredients except nuts and whistle it for about 3 to 4. Once it's done and cool down, transfer into the another pot and add another half milk and bring it to boil. Now finally add nuts and serve hot or cold. Eat this with fresh puri. Enjoy! Hope you like this recipe and please don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon with another recipe. Till then take care. Bye. Annyeong.